Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a mobile phone from DU Telecom. So if you want to get a new smartphone from DU, you can apply through their website and their application, and you can even visit to DU store. So first of all, you need to check whether you are eligible for an installment plan. So DU usually requires you to have an active postpaid plan and a good payment history. Only then you will be able to eligible for it. So to apply online, you will have to come on the official website of DU, that is du.ae. You can even type shop right before it, so that you will be landed on this page. Now here you need to browse through the available smartphones and you need to select the one that you want to purchase. Here you will see iPhone and various other Samsung smartphones. So here you can just select the categories as well as phone, and after that you will have to select that particular smartphone which you want to purchase. After selecting it, it will show you the information about it, so you will have to select the color and a bunch of other details. Now once you are done with it, you will have to simply add the product in your cart. Now go to the cart, so you need to continue with this item, and at the time of checkout you need to choose the installment plan that suits you. So these are usually available in 12, 24 and 36 months options. So during checkout you will need to log in into your DU account and enter your Emirates ID details for verification. If approved, DU will confirm your order, and your phone will be delivered to your address or available for pickup at a DU store. So if you prefer to apply in person, visit a DU store with the Emirates ID, your salary certificate and a recent DU bill if applicable. A representative will assist you in selecting a device and checking your eligibility. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.